Let's take you to the Etihad. Sergio Aguero, with 7 goals in his last 8 Premier League games, plays in a front two today with Wilfred Bony for Manchester City at home to Aston Villa. The full team news. Kyle, talk us through City.
He does, and it's rare, Rebecca. Wilfred Bony and Sergio Aguero, this is only the second time in the Premier League they've started together, the first coming all the way back in September. After a demoralizing loss against Liverpool, you expected a lot of changes. And it's going to be Navas playing off the right. No place for Raheem Sterling, who starts on the bench. Expect Silva to float in underneath Aguero and Bony, but interested to see how that partnership goes today.
Hapless Aston Villa. Kyle, talk us through this.
One, maybe you think if you're Pellegrini against Aston Villa, you can be a little more adventurous and you can play the strike partnership. We know he likes that in the past when he won the title of 4-2-2-2, people call it, from the years at Malaga and other clubs where he used that. So this back line has a lot to deal with for those two players.
Well, that game is on NBCSN.